Hey, welcome back to Ways Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning how to fix a loose hinge. I've got a loose hinge. We had to take out a desk out of my office, and I noticed one of the hinges were loose when I went back to put it back on. So I'm going to show you how to fix that loose hinge with simply a golf tee. So first thing you're going to do is you're just going to remove these screws. They're not real hard because they're all three loose. You can see they're just little guys, just little tiny guys. So you can put longer screws in or sometimes bigger screws in, but it's really easier just to do this. Take those out, set that aside. Then you're just going to take a regular golf tee, wood, put those in there. So you're basically just plugging this hole. So I'm just going to take a hammer, drive them in there. And if you don't have one of these bad boys, I'll put a link in the description. But this is a DeWalt pull saw. Get any pull saw, but they work just great for cutting off. All right, next you're simply just going to put the screws back in, and it might be worthwhile to go ahead and drill a pilot hole with a smaller diameter of a drill bit, just so you make sure you get that screw straight into the hole of the hinge. That way it'll just make it smoother when you're getting ready to shut that door. There won't be any screws sticking up. There you go. It's all put in, back on its hinges. Thanks for watching.